哋中國人咧都好信風水嘅噃，咁每一年嘅風水咧好似都話會轉一轉嘅。咁究竟新嘅一年雞年嘅運程係點樣咧？而家咧我哋會請國際風水命理名家伍子明先生咧同我哋咧係預測一下雞年嘅運程嘅。
I'm sure that you all would like to know the upcoming year, the year of the rooster, whether it will bring you health, prosperity, or other things. So we have arranged for a Feng Shui Master, a renowned Feng Shui Master, to come here to give you the predictions for the upcoming year. He is Master Paul Ing. He learned the art of Feng Shui and life charting in 1976 back in Hong Kong. Surprisingly, he holds a Bachelor of Mathematics, Computer Science degree from University of Waterloo, and also a diploma in Business Administration from University of Toronto. Now, let's give a big round of applause. Let's welcome Master Paul Ing. Predictions for the year of the rooster. 伍子明師傅。
Evening, can you hear me?
Yep.
各位朋友好，今日雞年，其實雞年係今日到嘅，唔係年初一到。Now there's one surprise for everyone. The actual year of the rooster doesn't really come next Wednesday. It actually comes today at this very moment, at this very hour. We begin the year of the rooster. The cutover point of the year has very little with the New Year Day. It actually always goes around February the 4th or the 3rd or the 5th. Now, you notice something just now, most sponsors are very young. 各位有冇留意咧？剛才嗰啲贊助商咧，大部分都年青啊。2005 will shape up as a year for the young. It's going to be a very young year. Now, the reason is it's governed by a very powerful number. The number is 4. And 4 is not a bad number as most people think. It means scholarship and learning. So in a way, 2005 is a year for learning. We are learning about life. We are learning about everything that why we are going to live in this world. 嗱呢一年咧最特別咧就係個控制元嗰數係4字嚟㗎，4咧就係文昌，就代表學習，所以今年咧亦都係學習嘅年，亦都係一個好年青嘅年。我哋學習做人嘅道理，互相關心嘅道理，同埋學習好多學問。Now this year, unlike last year, we are not going to have the same kind of natural disasters. Unfortunately, we are still going to have a lot of earthquakes. On December the 23rd, I gave a speech to 70 people in the banquet, and I said, my friends, some major earthquakes are on the way. And 3 days after, I said that we had a tsunami. And in the year 2002, December, I said there would be a major contagious illness coming for 2003, and we had the SARS, unfortunately. What about this year? The major concern for this year on the negative side will be things to do with birds, mosquitoes, and anything to do with air. But on the positive side, we are going to see a totally new generation of power generation by using wind. So windmills are of the powerful side in 2005. 嗱喺呢個2005年最特別咧就係個風啦，所以咧喺個疾病方面大家要小心同風有關嘅啦，就係蚊啦同埋雀鳥有關嘅毛病。仲有咧好處咧就係今年咧特別多風力發電，呢個係未來嘅好處。Now 2005 also would have very much to do of marriages. A lot of people in Chinese community thought it's a blind year, they should not get married. Quite on the opposite, a lot of people are getting married this year. And about 70% or more would have older brides and younger groom. Very interesting year. 嗱，仲有咧，今年好多中國人咧以為盲年唔可以結婚，其實就相反嘅。今年咧係一個非常好嘅結婚年，而且大部分嘅婚姻咧，嗰個新娘咧會係大年幾個新郎嘅，係70%以上喺世界性嘅呢樣。And that is the rule of the world, you can avoid it. 4 countries are going to do extremely well this year. The number 1 gold country for 2005 is China. Number 2 is India. Number 3 is a mixture between Brazil and Mexico. And number 4 is Canada. So we are among top 5. Isn't that a good idea? OK。嗱，今年咧有幾個生長最快國家咧，首選最緊要咧就係中國，第二就係印度，第三咧就係巴西同埋墨西哥，差唔多一齊。第四咧就係加拿大，所以今年咧加拿大經濟咧係相當之好嘅。Now we are doing so well in Canada, so what kind of businesses should we be in this year? The best businesses have to do with fire, earth and metal, not as good as water and wood. Now what is fire? Fire will be communications, computers, high tech, the show business, things to do with the talking, and the earth side will be earth, such as medicine and also real estate, construction. And the metal side will be machinery, mechanical, automobiles, and anything to do with steel. So we are about to see quite a comeback of those sectors. 嗱，今年最好嘅行業咧就係火土金生意，火咧就係電子、電器、電腦傳播行業，同埋咧呢個教育娛樂事業。土咧就係地產、醫療行業，而金咧就係五金、機器、汽車行業。So we are going to see Toronto's real estate continue doing well as long as it's within the letter T. The T meaning on the right-hand side you have Markham and Unionville. Center side would be Richmond Hill. The west side of it or left side of it is Vaughan. Center part will be Willowdale, and the modern part will be downtown Toronto. All these areas are going to do very well in terms of real estate and economy. 今年咧呢個地產行業咧並非會一定會退後，如果只要咧喺呢個 T 字十字中間咧就會好嘅，就包括咧伊人村、列治明山、旺市、呢個 Willowdale 洋柳谷同埋咧呢個市中心。其他士嘉堡同埋西邊個多單潮亦都平就會弱啲。And Scarborough and Downsville will be a little weaker, and there will still be quite a bit of petty crimes, like robberies, maybe gun problems in Scarborough and Downsville. So be careful about those two districts this year. Now, in terms of the water side, that would be mainly to do with water. That would include gas as well. We are about to see the gas prices continue to go up. So, but if you are in the business to deal with gas, you should make a lot of money too.